Hey guys, good morning. It's Angelo Christian Financial, your direct nationwide lender. Call or text Angelo 832-431-6331. Today we're talking about the investor no doc loans. We have no documentation loan programs. We have investor cash flow, DSCR. We have no doc. No doc, you don't even need a lease. It's for vacant properties, and that's what we're talking about today. So the no doc loan for investors, you don't have to have a DSCR. So most lenders require that you have a debt service coverage ratio of at least 0.75 or 1. Our program, you don't even have to have it. It can be a vacant property. So we do investment property, vacancy, no doc loans. And we'll go up to 65% of the value. You have to have a 660 or higher credit score. But yeah, you can cash out on it. You can do a purchase. You can do a refinance. And you don't have to have a tenant in the property. It can be vacant. So it's an awesome opportunity, a great program if you're looking to pull funds out. So if you want more information on the investor no documentation program, give us a call, text us at 832-431-6331. We'd like to help you out with that, because sometimes, you're in the middle of doing a rehab project and you don't have a tenant in there yet and you still want to pull funds out. It makes a lot of sense to be able to do it. So anyway, reach out to us if we can help you. 832-431-6331. I'd like to talk to you about that investor no doc loan.